Mali mag-beautiful eyes.
Hindi ba ano yun?
Kalil. Kalil. Beautiful eyes.
Sasapalit kita.
Marami ka nang palabas, ano? Sapa nga, sapa nga.
Yeah, I did a lot of research on diamonds for this. You know, I learned a lot about gemstones. It's amazing how many variations you can find.
Feel na feel.
Sapa.
Beautiful eyes, beautiful eyes.
But
Ano pa may sigaw pa eh.
Sapa, dali. Sapa.
Ayun.